You saw in the last video how much time the Econoliser will save you getting ready for your day in the abattoir, but just how much water and energy can it save you day to day. To test this, we ran an immersion system until it filled this 20-litre drum. As you can see, it doesn't seem to be using that much water. But it took just over 10 minutes before the 20-litre drum was overflowing. We ran the Econoliser through 10 cycles, based on sterilising the knives once every minute, and thanks to the patented Econoliser technology, clean fresh water is delivered every cycle, but only when you need it, not constantly like traditional systems, which greatly reduces your water and therefore your water heating costs. After 10 cycles, the results speak for themselves. 20 litres of water you have paid to buy, to heat and return to the effluent plant versus 1.25 litres for the Econoliser, a reduction of 94%. In the next video, we're going to break down in real terms just how much money you're wasting without the Econoliser at your abattoir.